Hi, welcome to my piano lesson. I'm Hiroshima. In this lesson, I'll show you how to play Die With A Smile by Lady Gaga and Bruno Mars. Okay, here we go! This song key is A major. Okay, first chord is A major 7th. Left hand is A and right hand is C sharp and E and G sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. And next chord is D major 7th. Left hand is D and right hand is C sharp and F sharp and A. Intro pattern sound like this. Verse part is same chord progression, A major 7th and D major 7th and A major 7th and D major 7th. Okay, and B block first chord is D major 7th and A major 7th. And next chord is C sharp minor 7th. Left hand is C sharp and right hand is B and E and G sharp. And next chord is F sharp sus4. Left hand is F sharp and right hand is B and C sharp and F sharp. And next chord is F sharp, B to A sharp. B minor 7th, left hand is B and right hand is D and F sharp and A. And next chord is E 7th. Left hand is E and right hand is D and G sharp and B. And C sharp minor 7th. And next chord is F sharp minor 7th. F sharp minor 7th is left hand is F sharp and right hand is C sharp and E and A. And same chord progression, B minor 7th and E 7th and C sharp minor 7th and F sharp minor 7th, B minor 7th and E 7th and okay, A major is left hand is A and right hand is C sharp and E and A. And next chord is E over G sharp. Left hand is G sharp and right hand is B and E and G sharp. And next chord is F sharp minor 7th and B minor 7th and E 7th. And next part is A major 7th and D major 7th. that is for today's lesson. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe here. Thank you. Bye.